practical math problem. How many 3/4 cups are in 2 cups? To solve this, we need to divide 2 by 3/4. Let's write this as a division problem. Now, here's a key concept to remember. When dividing by a fraction, we can multiply by its reciprocal instead. The reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Let's visualize this with cups. Here we have 2 cups. We want to know how many 3/4 cups fit into these 2 cups. Now, let's perform the multiplication. 2 times 4/3 equals 8/3. Let's visualize this result. 8/3 means we have 8 1/3 cups. We can see that 6 1/3 cups fill our 2 cups completely, and we have 2 1/3 cups left over. Now, let's convert our improper fraction 8/3 to a mixed number. 8 divided by 3 is 2, with a remainder of 2. So, 8/3 is equal to 2 and 2/3. Let's visualize this final result. We have 2 whole 3/4 cups which fill our 2 cups completely. The remaining 2/3 of a 3/4 cup is exactly the 2 1/3 cups we had left over. Therefore, there are 2 and 2/3 3/4 cups in 2 cups. This means if you have a recipe that calls for 2 cups of an ingredient, you would need to measure out 2 full 3/4 cups plus 2/3 of another 3/4 cup to get the same amount.